What if I told you there's a banking solution specifically designed to make your business finances smoother, more transparent, and incredibly easy to manage? A solution that understands the unique pain points of entrepreneurs and growing companies and offers features that traditional banks often overlook. Today, we're diving deep into the Relay Bank checking account, giving you a comprehensive overview that will help you decide if it's the right financial partner for your business. We've all been there: the endless paperwork, the confusing fee structures, the struggle to reconcile multiple transactions across different accounts. Traditional business banking can feel like a labyrinth, especially when you're trying to focus on what truly matters: building and scaling your business. But what if you could have a clear, real-time picture of your cash flow, effortlessly categorize your income and expenses, and even open multiple checking accounts for different business purposes, all without jumping through hoops? That's the promise of Relay Bank, and in this video, we're going to explore how it delivers on that promise. We're going to break down everything you need to know, from the initial setup process to the advanced features that make Relay stand out. We'll talk about the benefits of having multiple checking accounts, how their fee structure compares to traditional banks, and the seamless integrations that can supercharge your financial management. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of the Relay Bank checking account and whether it aligns with your business's financial needs and goals. So, let's start with the big picture. What exactly is Relay Bank? Relay is a digital banking platform built for small businesses. Unlike traditional banks with brick-and-mortar branches, Relay operates entirely online, offering a streamlined, technology-driven approach to business banking. This digital-first model allows them to offer features and a user experience that often surpasses what you'd find at a larger, more established institution. Think of it as a modern, agile financial partner designed to keep pace with your entrepreneurial journey. One of the most significant advantages of Relay Bank, and a feature that truly sets it apart, is the ability to open multiple checking accounts. And when I say multiple, I mean up to 20 individual checking accounts, plus 2 savings accounts, all under one business umbrella. Why is this a game changer? Imagine you're running an e-commerce business. You could have one account for operational expenses, another for inventory purchases, a separate one for marketing spend, and even one specifically for tax savings. This level of compartmentalization provides unparalleled clarity on where your money is coming from and where it's going. It simplifies budgeting, makes expense tracking a breeze, and significantly streamlines tax preparation. No more sifting through a single, cluttered account to figure out your profit margins or identify specific spending categories. This granular control over your finances is invaluable for making informed business decisions. Now, let's talk about the practicalities of setting up a Relay Bank checking account. The process is remarkably straightforward and can typically be completed in a matter of minutes. You'll start by visiting their website and initiating the application. You'll need to provide some basic information about your business, including your employer identification number, EIN, or social security number if you're a sole proprietorship, and details about the business owners. They'll also require a valid form of identification. The beauty of Relay's digital platform is that much of this can be done electronically, eliminating the need for in-person visits or excessive paperwork. Once your application is submitted, it's typically reviewed quickly, and you could be up and running with your new accounts in a very short time frame. This ease of setup is a breath of fresh air for busy entrepreneurs who don't have time for bureaucratic delays. Beyond the initial setup, let's delve into the day-to-day functionality. Relay offers a robust online banking portal and a user-friendly mobile app, allowing you to manage your finances from anywhere, at any time. You can easily view your account balances, track transactions in real time, and transfer funds between your various Relay accounts. The interface is intuitive and designed for clarity, ensuring you always have a precise understanding of your financial position. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.